Lumensoft ChurchTrack is one of the most popular church management software solutions out there. But before you make your purchase, there are 12 key things you need to know. We'll also compare it to some of its competitors, so you can decide if it's the best choice for your church. First thing to note, ChurchTrack's ease of use is one of its main selling points. While other platforms can feel complex and overwhelming, ChurchTrack keeps things simple with an intuitive interface. It's perfect for churches looking for an easy-to-navigate system without too much of a learning curve. Next thing to consider is pricing. ChurchTrack offers a competitive pricing model, starting at a very affordable rate for small churches. However, as your church grows and you need more advanced features, the price does increase. Compared to competitors like Planning Center, which offers more comprehensive features but at a higher cost, ChurchTrack is a solid choice for those on a budget. The third thing to know is its powerful membership management tools. ChurchTrack offers detailed member profiles, attendance tracking, and easy communication options. This puts it ahead of some competitors that offer basic member management tools, though platforms like Breeze and ACS Technologies tend to offer slightly more advanced features when it comes to customization. The fourth thing is its contribution tracking. ChurchTrack allows you to track donations and pledges, which is crucial for budgeting and planning. It integrates easily with accounting software, making financial tracking a breeze. But some competitors, like PushPay, may offer more robust online donation options, which might be worth considering if your church relies heavily on digital giving. The fifth thing you need to know is its event management. ChurchTrack allows you to manage church events with ease, creating signups and tracking volunteers. While it's sufficient for most churches, other software like Church Community Builder offers more advanced scheduling and event management features. Next thing is reporting. ChurchTrack provides solid reporting tools that allow you to track attendance, donations, and more. However, if detailed custom reporting is a priority for your church, you might want to look into alternatives like Planning Center or Breeze, which offer deeper customization. The seventh thing is its integration options. ChurchTrack integrates with popular platforms like MailChimp and QuickBooks, which is a plus. However, it doesn't have as many integrations as some other church management systems, so if your church uses specific tools or apps, you might want to double-check compatibility. Next up is its mobile app. ChurchTrack's mobile app is handy for managing events, attendance, and donations on the go. But if you're looking for a highly polished, feature-packed app, some other platforms like Tithe.li offer a more robust mobile experience. The ninth thing you need to know is customer support. ChurchTrack's support is good, with email and phone support available, but response times can sometimes be slower than competitors. For example, Planning Center and Breeze have reputations for offering faster, more responsive support. The 10th thing is its customization options. ChurchTrack offers basic customization, which is great for churches with standard needs. But if your church requires highly customized workflows or layouts, other software like Church Community Builder could give you more flexibility. 11th thing is the learning curve. ChurchTrack is easy to get started with, which is great for churches that don't have a tech-savvy team. However, if you're looking for more sophisticated features or tools for larger churches, the simpler interface might feel limiting compared to more feature-rich platforms like ACS Technologies. And lastly, security. ChurchTrack offers solid data security, including SSL encryption, but if your church handles sensitive data frequently, you might prefer other platforms that offer additional layers of security. All in all, ChurchTrack is a great option for smaller to medium-sized churches looking for an easy-to-use, affordable church management system. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with deeper features, you might want to check out our recommended alternative